Happy Thursday out there. Team 42 at your skipper here, Darius Dale, to present our macro minute for Thursday, January 18th, 2024. As always, we'll start with the executive summary from today's leadoff morning note. If you would like the analysis supporting these conclusions, as well as what to specifically do about them in your portfolio, you need to be a client of 42 Macro. So we'll start with today's key macro event, which is the probability of a developing recession continues to decline in the U.S. economy. So starting with the nuance, the latest key economic data indicate the probability of developing recession continues to decline in the U.S. economy. Moreover, the data support our call for a rolling recovery in the U.S. housing market. Given the healthy spread between effective and marginal mortgage rates, as well as a favorable household leverage profile, the perfect storm of new home development that we identified in the fall of 2022 persists. Moreover, the economy is about to move past the pent-up glut of sticky reported shelter inflation that we identified last summer. From a market implications standpoint, a declining probability of recession is supportive of the current Goldilocks top-down market regime via inflating the probability of a soft landing at the expense of a hard landing scenario. While the home builders are overdue for a healthy correction, dips should be bought in this cyclical exposure as long as we remain in a risk-on top-down market regime, which is obviously Goldilocks or reflation. Transitioning to my 42 macro dashboard here, we'll start with our trading range signals from our friends over at Longbow. We are getting oversold signal in base metals here. For those of you who are looking to buy commodities as a potential hedge to the current Goldilocks regime, oversold signal in DBC, which is the broad commodity basket as well. I think that's it in terms of the trading range signals. And then lastly, we had a question from our community here. So I'll just read it regarding our KISS portfolio construction allocation. Is there any other way to view the current KISS portfolio allocation outside of the weekly around the horn updates? I'm trying to see if there's a way to check on it daily. Let's wrap it up there. So the answer is whatever the latest around the horn presentation is, and as you can see, you can obviously the latest around the horn presentation will usually be featured here in the most recent reports publications from 42 Macro here. Whatever the current portfolio construction slide is in that latest around the horn report, and those obviously come out weekly, is the active KISS portfolio construction. There's no point in publishing it daily because it doesn't update daily. In fact, it has very minimum changes. The whole system is designed to be simple so that working professionals can actually execute it and actually benefit from the outperformance and both on a performance and drawdown basis. And so, wrapping it up there in terms of the actual trading statistics, when you go back and you look at the back test, which we've constructed since the January 1st, 2018, it outperforms 60-40 demonstrably on a performance basis and max drawdown basis, and it even outperforms a version of KISS that does not feature the top-down and bottom-up management overlays pretty demonstrably as well, particularly on the volatility and drawdown statistics. And so KISS is obviously doing its job, and it's doing its job without a lot of turnover. If you look and you go back and you look at the average number of trades that are featured in our KISS portfolio construction process per month, it's actually only 3. So you typically only, it's only changing something in your portfolio 3 times. And obviously there's only 3 exposures, SPY, Ag, and Bitcoin. If you want to change that, we obviously make all the information available for anyone to implement a customized version of KISS as well. So KISS is rocking and rolling. Thousands of investors globally are really appreciating what it's doing for their portfolio. We're really grateful for that. So we'll wrap it up there. Darius Dale presenting our macro minute for Thursday, January 18th, 2024. Everyone have a wonderful day out there. We'll catch you back here tomorrow. Cheers.